Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 11 geography. Today we are going to discuss the third module of this chapter. In this third module we are going to discuss about India and its neighboring countries. As you can see in the map that India has a prime location in the Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent we discussed earlier in the previous videos. As you can see that India is located in the south central part. You can see this is the entire Asia and east direction, west direction, north direction and south. So basically it is in south direction and in central part. So India is located in the south central part of the continent of Asia. This is Asia continent. So India located in the south central part of the continent of Asia. Bordering the Indian Ocean and its two arms extended in the form of Bay of Bengal. As you can see, the southern part of the India is bordering by the Indian Ocean. The eastern part, that is Bay of Bengal, and the western part, that is the Arabian Sea. So in this way we can say that India is covered from two sides by Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. The maritime location, if we discuss the maritime location of India, so the peninsular India has provided links to its neighboring countries and region through the sea and air routes. As you can see easily that through the vast ocean line, through this vast coastline, different part of the country like East Asian countries, Japan, China, Indonesia, Sumatra, Java, Borneo, these islandic countries, as well as the Europe and the other countries also can connect with India. This maritime route means from the water route as well as from the air route also. If we talk about the India's neighboring countries, so as you can see the adjacent countries of India means there are major countries. There are two type of neighboring countries. One type of neighboring countries which share the boundary with India, like first is Pakistan, which share the boundary with India, then Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. These countries share their boundary. Myanmar, these countries share their boundary with India. So these countries join their boundary with India. But one more neighboring country of India, that is the Sri Lanka, which is not directly connected with India with boundary, but it is also an important neighboring country of India, and it's separated from India by this Park Strait. This is called as Park Strait. So the question is here, from which pass the Sri Lanka separated from India? So that is the Park Strait line. India, then you can see the Gulf of Mannar. The Park Strait is also called as Gulf of Mannar. So here you can see the different countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh. So tell me that which country join maximum land boundary with India? So the answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh join the maximum land boundary or shares the maximum land boundary with India, and minimum land boundary shared by the Afghanistan. As you can see, Afghanistan share only small boundary. So the maximum land boundary shared by the Bangladesh with India, and the Afghanistan share the minimum land boundary with India. Thank you. This is the last module of this chapter. In next video we will start the new chapter. Thank you.